my tools with my recent buy. Let's dive in and see what we've got. Let's open the box and see what we've got inside. Let's charge our batteries before we start. We've got chain oil and not forgetting our manual, sort of trimmer to shape in the shrubs, I guess. That looks fine, perfect. And then the telescopic handle to reach further hair branches. Very convenient. I'm already liking the first step of our haul. Chainsaw for thick branches. And then we've got hedge trimmers. They seem quite light. Let's check out the base for the battery. We were given 2 batteries, and let's recap what we received. Get the base ready with some lubricating oil, and let's check how things work. Let's strain on my wrist and to carry on for a while because the feeling of aches and pains. I'm already beginning to like this.